Mike Levitt here with a tutorial on how to make a cardboard Puma shoe. I've made other tutorials for other cardboard shoes, and I really hope you check those out because there's some tips and tricks in there that I think will help you make this one. I highly recommend downloading the template and how-to booklet I made to accompany this tutorial. The template gives you all the shapes and pieces you need to make this shoe. This video just adds a little more dimension to a few different techniques and procedures. The first step is to gather tools and materials. The how-to booklet details these things. Follow my template to cut out all the pieces for your Puma. Then it's time to glue the sole. Liberally apply glue between all layers of your sole. Wait for the glue to get tacky. Press the layers together. As the glue sets, bend the toe up at the ball of the foot to give the toe a slight lift toward the front. As the sole glue is drying, shape the toe. Fold and crease the toe body and toe cover glue tabs. Bend and curve these two pieces by smooshing your thumb into them and pressing them into your palm. Next, we'll assemble the toe. Apply glue inside the toe body glue tabs and to the bottom of the insole where the toe body will go. Wait for the glue to get tacky, then press the toe body glue tabs in place. Apply glue all over the toe body and the outside of the toe body glue tabs that are already glued to the insole. Apply glue all over the inside of the toe cover and the glue tabs for the toe cover. Wait for all this glue to get tacky, then press the toe cover in place to wrap over the entire toe body. This whole assembly helps make that nice eased curve of the Puma toe. At this point, you should have something assembled that looks pretty much like a household slipper. Go ahead, try it out. Put your foot in there and see how it feels. Now let's shape the body. Bend, curve, and roll the shoe body over a table edge to round and soften it up. Make it shape around your foot. Round it around the back of your heel. Press the sides up and over the sides of your foot. When the shoe body is shaped, let's get ready to glue it. Dry fit the shoe body in place on the insole. Then, starting at one end of the shoe body, press the first glue tabs in place onto the insole on the side of the toe. Work your way back toward the heel, pressing one glue tab at a time until you get around the heel and back to the other end of the shoe body glue tabs. Once you've pressed these glue tabs in place the assembly flat on a table and smush the glue tabs from inside of the shoe to really flatten them out. Next, let's glue the body to the sole. I like the sound of that. Let's glue the body to the sole. Let's glue the body to the sole. Now liberally apply glue to the bottom of the shoe body assembly and to the top of the sole. Wait for the glue to get tacky. Then press the shoe body onto the sole. Put your hand inside it to press it in place from inside the shoe. At this point, you got your shoe mostly made, so it's probably a good time to take a quick break, take a step back, enjoy what you've made so far, and get ready for the second half of the tutorial, where we're going to tackle the tongue, trim work, and detail.